Okay, good day everyone. So today I'm going to teach you how to create a Polaroid effects using Adobe Photoshop CS6. Okay, so first is you have to duplicate the photo. So duplicate it. Okay, and then after this is you have to create a new layer. Okay, for the black square. Okay, because we are going to create an imitation of a Polaroid. So using the marquee tool, okay, select a small square on your photo and then use paint bucket tool and then change this to black. So swap it and then color the selection to black. Okay. Next is create another layer. Then this time we're going to create a bigger square, okay, with a bigger space at the bottom so that it will look like a Polaroid. And then swap the color and then use paint bucket tool to color the square. Now, since the black part should be on top, so I'm going to drag the black on top. Okay, so I'm going to use the move tool to um, move it, okay, here and align, okay, and then just resize a little, okay, so that it will look like a Polaroid. Now, if done, okay, so all you have to do is drag the background copy on top of the black square and then right click it and then create clipping mask. Just click create clipping mask so that it will be masked on the black area. Okay, next is so that you can see also the effects that I've made, you have to go to the background layer and then adjust the color of your background. So I'll go to image adjustments and then hue saturation. Okay, so I'm going to change the color of my photo and then click OK. So if you notice, the color inside the Polaroid did not change. Okay, it does not change because it is a different layer. Okay, so it was masked on the black square. Next is we're going to group the background copy, the layer 1 and the layer 2. Now, I'm going to rename the black square and the white square, okay, so that you can see what I am clicking. Okay, so I'm going to rename it by double clicking the layer and then type black square. The same with the white square, so double click and then I'm going to rename it to black white square there. Okay, so I'm going to select the three by clicking the control key 1, 2 and 3 and then I'm going to group them. Go to layer and then look for group layers, this one. Okay, so for you to see the inside or the folder's content, just click the triangle here on the left side, okay, to open the content of that folder. Okay, so that's how. Now, if you want to move your Polaroid, all you have to do is click the black square and the white square by using the control key. Okay, so I'm going to select only the two and then move the Polaroid anywhere you want to put it. Okay, you may also rotate it so you can place it anywhere you want. So there, and then apply. Okay, so if you want to add more Polaroids, just right click and then duplicate the group. Okay, and then open it. Then select the black square, press Control key, the white square, and then move your Polaroid. Okay, So that's how you move your Polaroid. Next, close it. Right click, duplicate the group, then click OK. Open it, the content, and then click the black square again. Press Ctrl key to select the white square and then move it again. Okay, there. And then you may now transfer your Polaroid anywhere you want. There. See? Okay. Next is duplicate again. Click OK, open it, then select the black and the white square, and then move it, and then rotate. Okay, so that's how you do the Polaroid effects on your Photoshop or on your picture. There. So if done, you may now add text here below. Okay, and then add a title. Okay, and then resize. And then apply. Then change the style. Okay, the Polaroid style. You may also change the font if you want to. Okay, there. So you can also put it anywhere you want. You can also put your names on your output. Okay, so that's how you do the Polaroid effect. Okay, so if you want naman na plain ang background and you don't want to use a picture, you can cover this background by adding a new layer. Okay, and then put it on top of the background to cover your wait. Okay, so here, so I'm going to add a new layer there, and then I'm going to color it gradient and then cover it. Okay, so you can also do that. Now if you want to put some effects, you can also use the blending modes. So for example, overlay there.